Hey, I'm Dirty Dan, and welcome back to another episode of TOOLSDAY. Today's episode is going to focus on keeping things clean, like this workbench. Well, now that we have the workbench cleaned off a little bit, I got to be honest with you. We're not talking about shop cleanliness today. We're talking about you and your tools and keeping them clean, looking the way they should. When you're done with a job, there's a couple things that are important to do before you're really done with the job. One of those things is putting your tools away and making sure they're clean and not looking like this. Also, cleaning those dirty mitts of yours. You don't want to get in a customer's freshly repaired nice vehicle and put dirty greasy paw prints all over it. So there are a couple different ways to combat this. You can go buy all these ones that you see on TV, these different hand cleaners and wipes and washes, or you can buy something that's American-made, veteran-owned, and works way better. Jeff over at Greasy's Garage has some awesome products like these wipes, as well as this bar soap. These things smell amazing, and they work amazing. I keep one of these bar soaps in my home shower as well to wash extra good at night. The hand wipes are not just regular hand wipes. They're nice, thick, durable material. They've also got grit to them, so you get that nice deep cleaning action. These wipes right here work great on just about all of your tools. They have these soft grips on these snap ring pliers. Look at the difference. Nice and clean. Next time you go to grab it, it's ready to go. I use it on my battery-powered tools as well. You can see this grease gets in these cracks, and it really helps get a lot of that garbage out of there so your tool is looking better. And so your handle is not all nasty and gross the next time you go to use it. It also works great on your work surfaces. Look at that. Not only does this bar soap look cool, it smells great, and it really does a good job getting in there with all that grit, cleaning everything out, keeping your hands looking nice, so you're not getting those dirty paw prints all over cars, tools, or your significant other. So I don't know many significant others that like greasy handprints on themselves. There we go. All clean and ready to go. I'll leave the links below so you can go check out Greasy Garage. They've got some great stuff on their social media pages, including their YouTube channel where they're doing a nice build on an F100. They also have other great products that you can check out. So help support an American veteran-owned business and keep your hands and tools clean.